How are you?
Yeah, I am fantastic. And first of all, thanks uh, this opportunity. And today I am so happy because you connected with me. So actually, you made my day. Thank you, Devishri.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We are meeting for the very first time. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, we are meeting first time. Yes. Yeah, my as you know, my name is Sachin, and I am from Maharashtra. I have two children. I am a married person, and I have completed 12th standard in Kolhapur University, and I am a farmer. So that's it. Little bit about me.
Awesome introduction. Good to know about yourself.
Yeah, you can introduction yourself.
Sure. You already know about my name. My name is Devishri from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my pharmacy. Currently, I'm homemaker. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel called Davis English Journey, where I upload my conversation and solo videos. My hobbies are reading books, listening music, drawing, coloring, and journaling. That's pretty much about me.
Oh, nice introduction. Yeah. So we are meeting up first. How do you feel?
Really, it's a wonderful feeling from my side. And what about you?
Yeah, I am so glad and I am so lucky because you are from Madhya Pradesh and you connect with me. It is a nice for me. And
Okay.
yeah, this is my first conversation video with you.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I'm happy. Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice. And tell
So
me how your English learning journey going?
oh yeah, actually, as you know, I am farmer. 1 minute, 1 minute. Someone call me. 1 minute.
Your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Yeah, now audible. Go ahead.
So what do you say? Please repeat it.
How is your English learning journey going?
Oh, my English learning journey is very goily, very smoothly, very nice. Yeah, I actually it's 25 days completed. I have download Peer app and Peer app it's very helpful to me. I daily use it and stalking a stranger person. So uh, of a peer app, my English is improving day by day, and I use I use ChatGTP, and ChatGTP always help me. ChatGTP, uh, ChatGTP teach me how to speak English. When I talk with the ChatGTP, suppose I made a mistake, so that time ChatGTP correct my mistakes. So that's it about my English journey.
Yeah, I also use ChatGPT. It's really helpful for me.
Yes, yes. And how was your journey?
Yeah, my journey was good. I think daily I am practicing whatever I can.
Oh, nice, nice. And I think it's 3 4 month completed. Is it right?
Not
You
5 months.
5 months. You completed 5 months. And in 5 months, what did you learn English?
Before that, I was very afraid and shy to speak in English with strangers. But nowadays, I'm not afraid anymore. I do conversations with YouTubers. It's a
Oh,
really
nice.
good achievement for me.
Oh, nice. And yeah, I saw you recently started your
Yes, channel.
YouTube channel. So
Yes,
it's a nice, and in your YouTube channel, your voice is clear and nicely going. Oh, so yeah, already. I saw your all video. Yeah,
thank you so much. It means a lot to me.
yeah, and definitely you will progress in the future your channel, your English journey. So
Okay.
so can you tell me uh, how uh, how do you practice
Yes, I'm practicing listening, reading, speaking. Sometimes I do writing also.
writing?
But mostly I'm practicing listening, speaking.
Listening practice, yeah, okay, both are very important.
Yes. I
So,
watch conversational videos
mhm.
and daily I read 2 pages short story books.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Do you remember one day we and means you, I, and a Menka madam connected, but it's
Yeah.
it was a network issue, so that's why that call is disconnected.
Yes, yes. Yes. I remember very well.
Oh, no, yeah, yeah. I conversation is Menka madam. So Menka madam told me I want to conversation with Devishri. Please, you tell her.
Okay. I'll connect to Manaka ma'am. Sure.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Actually, she is from Pune, and she is my best friend. Yeah.
Sure. I'll connect.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
Mm, no, no questions. It's okay
Okay.
because
I have only one question. Can I ask?
okay, okay.
Do you read any short story books in English?
Yeah, I sometimes I get time, so that times I read a short story.
In English?
Yeah, in English, and it is helpful to me how
Okay.
to understand English.
Okay. May I know the book name?
No, I not use a book name. I use a YouTube channel. YouTube
YouTube.
video. Yeah,
Through
yeah,
you through YouTube you read.
yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay. Stories. Story.
Yeah, yeah. Stories.
Okay, okay, got it.
So I think it's 9 minutes completed, and actually I have some work.
Okay,
So
okay. Thank you so much.
ma'am,
Thank you for
so
connecting today. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.
okay, bye bye. You take care. Okay, bye
Okay.
bye. Nice to meet you, Devishri.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.